If opportunity doesn't knock, build a door. Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to deal an idiom, a brush with death. What does it mean? A brush with death. A brush with death is used to refer to a time or situation when someone was very close to dying, as in a dangerous situation like a car accident where a person survives. A person can say they had a brush with death. If someone has a brush with death, they have an experience which one almost dies. So, a brush with death means an experience in which one almost dies. If you have an experience which you almost die, in that situation, you can use the idiom a brush with death. Let's use this idiom a brush with death in a sentence. A brush with death always helps us to live our lives better. If we met with an accident where we almost dies but we survive, after that we like to live our lives better, more better way. Number 2, after a brush with death, Minnie seemed more friendly and outgoing. After Minnie faced a situation where she was almost or close to death, from that point she started valuing the life. So, she seemed more friendly and outgoing with others. Number 3, a brush with death teaches us to value life. So, a brush with death situation teaches the humans to value the life. So far, we have dealt the idiom a brush with death, which means experiencing a situation where someone was very close to die but survives. In that situation, we can use the idiom a brush with death. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.